everybody, this is Ronnie's trash truck video. Ronnie, what kind of garbage truck do you have today?
An orange garbage truck.
An orange, and what's on your shirt, Ronnie?
The garbage truck.
Do you love garbage trucks?
Yeah.
And do you know what today is?
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, it's garbage day, and what's Ronnie gonna do?
Pick up the trash.
You're gonna pick up the trash. All right, let's show everybody how Ronnie picks up the trash. We've got a orange garbage truck. Is it a front loader, side loader, or rear loader? Oh, you're showing me? It's a rear loading garbage truck, huh? And what kind of trash do we pick up today?
A paper trash.
We're picking up paper trash, and look, Ronnie is dumping the trash into the truck. How many trash cans do you have?
20 and green.
20 trash cans. Hey, you left it upside down. Let's watch Ronnie. He is putting the trash cans in the trash truck. That's the one that goes with it, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what do you do with it? Are those the two that go with this trash truck? You lift it up and dump it. Dump, dump, dump. Did all the trash come out?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the Mr. Garbage Man, Ronnie, goes around the town. Where are you going to go next, Ronnie Kaminsky, too? Oh, you're going to come over here? We have more trash cans on this side of town. Dump, dump, dump. Lift it up, up, dump, dump, dump. Hey, Garbage Man, you dropped some. What do we do when we drop trash? Do you pick it up and put it in the rear loader? And this rear loader is really cool. It has some rubber in the back, and you can turn the handle, and it goes down, down, down. Great job, Mr. Garbage Man. Let's go to the other side of town. Over here, there's more trash cans over here. And what do we do with these trash cans? Uh-oh, it fell over. We need to pick it up and dump it. Is your trash truck full yet? Nope, we can keep on going. Now we got a red trash can. It did hit that, didn't it?
Yeah.
It did. It hit the back of the rear loader of the lifter.
Yeah.
And that one doesn't connect because that one didn't come with a truck. So you can just set it there and flip it. Dump, dump, dump.
And it will fall off.
And it falls off. Yeah. All right, let's go around the town. Where else are we going to go?
One flower and one
Going
green.
around the town.
We're going around the town. Oh no, Mr. Garbage Man made a big mess. What do we have to do? I have a feeling that it's time to turn the knob. Are you going to turn the knob and make the trash go down the trash truck?
I can do it.
I know you can. Let's show everybody how we turn the knob and make it go
I
down.
don't do this.
Oh, you use your hands. You don't even need to turn the knob.
That's when I do that, I just turn the knob.
Yes. All right, where are we going? Which side of town now? All the way over here. Hey, look, there's a really large garbage can and a medium garbage can.
That one's for recycling.
Oh, that one's for the recycling truck to come through. Dump, dump, dump. And you put the garbage can upside down. Our garbage truck does that sometimes too.
I put it upside down so the rain didn't slide it.
That's a good thing. So when it rains, it doesn't get it all wet. All right, we already did this side of town. Time to do this side of town over here. What do we got? More trash cans. You got a red one and a pink one. How's it going, Mr. Garbage Man? You're doing so good. Mr. Garbage Man is going around the town, going around the town, going around the town. Mr. Garbage Man is going around the town to collect the garbage cans. And then you empty them, and then you dump them. All right, here we go. What do we got over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 garbage cans. 1, 2. And you're emptying them in the back of your trash truck, Ronnie, huh? Because today is trash day for Ronnie's house. Dump, dump, dump. Oh, sometimes garbage men make a mess. And what do you have to do? Scoop it up, dump it in. Scoop it up and dump it in. I think the back of your trash truck is so full. That's why.
I got one more gray one.
You got a gray one. Yes, all the different colors of trash cans we have. See, he pushes it down, down, down. You don't even need to turn the knob. When you have big, strong arms, you want to show everybody your big, strong muscles, Ronnie?
No.
No, not today? Okay, Mr. Garbage Man. Here we go. Around the town. Yep, sometimes you have to go over a curb. Doot, doot, doot. Hey, we've got 5 more trash cans over here. Look at the cool colored trash cans we got. Blue and green and blue. Are you emptying them?
Yeah. Mom, did you show these about I was gone to swimming?
I filled up the trash cans when you got home from swimming.
No, did you show them when I got to swimming?
Nope, they were empty when you got home. And then I filled up your trash cans. Oh,
I wanted to put them around the town.
I put them around the town. That's a cool color. What color trash can is that? Uh-oh, it fell down. What color trash can is that?
A purple trash can.
I know. How cool is that? We have a purple one. That one's filled to the top. You need to go get your grabbers to dump that. Do you think so?
Nothing or smash it down like that.
You can smash it down like that? That's wonderful. Great thinking. And we're going to dump it in the back of the garbage truck. Wow. Good job, Mr. Garbage Man.
Then I want to go to the big one.
Yeah, we're going to go get... Oh, we have a whole bunch more garbage cans, don't we?
Then I want to go get that big red one.
You're the garbage man. You get to choose where you go. I'll follow you.
I'm going this way.
We're going this way. Whoa, watch out, kitty cat. You scared the kitty cat.
I was going to this big red one.
Yeah, you said that was a recyclables.
This is the recycling truck.
Oh, you got a recycling truck now. I like it because recycling trucks recycle paper, don't they? Keep the planet nice and safe and clean, huh? That's why we recycle. Is your garbage truck full yet? Do we need to go to the landfill?
No.
Not yet? Okay. Trash truck day. Whoa, we're so fast. Going on the highway. Woo, beep, 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 reverse. This is the coolest trash truck ever, huh? Your dog Serena wants to play with the trash too. You got a really large one. That one came from the dollar store. Those ones are awesome, huh? Your nanny bought you those trash cans, huh? Toot, toot, toot. Ronnie the garbage man collecting all the trash cans. I think your town is almost cleaned up. Yeah, and then we'll have to fill them up again, huh?
And put them around the town.
And put them around the town. This orange trash truck is the greatest. It even has a broom on it to sweep up the trash when everything spills, huh? Oh no, maybe you need to get your broom to sweep it up.
And I will.
I think that's it. Go ahead, just sweep it in a corner, and then you can pick it up with your hands.
I don't want to do it.
Not today? Okay.
No. Maybe next Tuesday.
Maybe next Tuesday you could sweep up that trash. That's a good thinking idea.
That's a good thinking idea.
Yeah. Let's put the broom back on the trash truck.
I think that's what after we have one garbage truck comes.
Yeah, you forgot to ask Tracy what time her garbage truck comes. We can ask her next time she comes.
So yeah, Miss Erica.
Miss Erica's not here today. All right, we got a couple more trash cans in the corner over there. Yeah. We gotta take your truck to the landfill and dump all your trash. Doot, doot, doot. I think your truck is almost full.
You have to smash it down.
I know, we have to dump it in, smash it down, and drive all over town, huh? Ronnie's trash truck video. Ronnie's trash truck video. Good smashing it down. You're a great garbage man. We love our garbage man on Tuesdays, huh? Sometimes he lets Ronnie. What does the garbage man that come to our house allow you to do sometimes?
Tell me.
Does he allow you to push the levers?
No.
Does he allow you to beep the horn?
Yes.
Yes, he allows you to beep the horn. And sometimes he allows you to push the buttons, huh? Sometimes. But every time he drives by, if you're outside, he goes beep, beep. So nice. These trash cans are really large. And then we got a medium one. And hey, we use a Yahtzee cup for a trash can too. I think we've got 5 more trash cans and then we're done.
I want to do it again.
I know, then we can go to the landfill and dump your trash truck and do it again. Turn the handle. When you turn the handle, what happens?
It tracks all the trash down.
It smashes all the trash down, and we're using paper trash. What other kind of trash do we use sometimes?
Beach glass.
Sometimes we use beach glass.
And poker chips.
And poker chips sometimes for trash. And checkers. And all the board game pieces sometimes, huh? Uh-oh, your trash can fell over. Does Mr. Gilly, our garbage man, sometimes knock the trash cans over?
Yeah.
And then what do we have to do?
Pick it up.
We go outside and pick them all up, huh? Going around the town, going around the town. Ronnie is going around the town. All right, I think this is almost coming to an end. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say, I'll see you later.
I want to do it again.
Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.